Hmm. This is Kush.
What?
The
Oh yeah.
Kush and the snake.
Is it Khujand?
Yeah, it's the beginning of Khujand.
And on the left,
Right side.
on the right, it's Unji.
Unji, yeah.
Yeah.
Hotel, 4-star hotel, Firuz.
How big is Khujand, Farouk?
I think it's big enough.
Big enough?
Big enough?
Yeah.
Yeah. How long does it take to go from one side to another?
About 20 minutes,
20 minutes.
I guess. Yeah.
It's pretty small then. It's quite hard.
Do you have some music?
And that's tall building is a hotel. It's more like a hotel for locals, right? So
Yeah,
it's quite cheap,
Quite cheap.
and locals usually stay there.
Do you know how much is it? $5?
5, less
Yeah.
than 5. So this is the center of Khujand. It's called Panshambe.
I think it's
The
not
market.
center.
Is that center?
Yeah.
Then where is it?
that's-
Univermark?
Yeah.
Univermark? It's kind of Times Square. Yeah, but this
Yeah.
part is like it's the market where people do shopping, go shopping.
Right.
Yeah. There are not that many cars today. How so? It's because of the holiday.
Yeah, I guess so.
What kind of holiday?
Eid al-Fitr,
Eid al-Fitr.
or no, it's the end of the Ramadan Eid.
Yeah. So this is the time when people spend their time with their families and
Yeah, they mostly stay home and
I see.
Instead of driving
Yes,
somewhere.
yeah.
instead of making a video. So this is the place you were talking about, right? The center.
Yeah, that's the center, I
Yeah.
guess.
It is called Univermark, the place, because there used to be a like a shopping mall, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was it.
Nice. Mountains. So this is the lake that divides Khujand into two parts,
You
right?
mean the river?
Yeah, sorry, the river, like right side and the left side. So we are, at the moment, we are on the right side. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Good. And on the left side, there is a corner and where you can have ice cream. Highly recommended.
It's called
Rahimi.
Rahimi.
Yeah.
Мороженое Rahimi.
Yeah.
Mother's
Ice cream.
milk.
Yeah.
Bullshit.